Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In this video, we're continuing our car paint maintenance journey with advanced techniques like paint correction and ceramic coatings. Dealing with contaminants. Tree sap, bird droppings, and road tar can be harmful to your car's paint if left untreated. Here's how to deal with these nuisances. Tree sap. Use a detailing clay bar or a specialized sap remover. Gently rub the area until the sap lifts away. Avoid harsh solvents that can damage the paint. Bird droppings. Remove these as soon as possible. They contain acids that can eat through the paint. Use a damp microfiber cloth to gently wipe the droppings away, then wash the area with soap and water. Road tar. Use a bug and tar remover. Spray it on the affected area and allow it to sit for a few minutes before wiping it clean with a microfiber towel. By following these routine maintenance practices, you can keep your vehicle looking new and extend the life of its paint. Regular care not only enhances the appearance but also protects your investment. So, why wait? Start these easy steps today. Advanced maintenance techniques. To keep your car looking fresh and new, advanced maintenance techniques can play a significant role. These methods go beyond the basics and focus on long-lasting results. Let's explore two important techniques: paint correction and ceramic coatings. Paint correction. Paint correction is the process of removing imperfections from your car's paintwork. Think of it as giving your car a deep cleaning but for its surface. This technique can fix issues like swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation. Here are some common methods used in paint correction. Machine polishing. This is the most popular method. It uses a dual-action or rotary polisher to buff the paint. Machine polishing can quickly remove defects while restoring shine. Compound and polish. Heavy compounds are used for deep scratches, while finer polishes finish the job for a glossy look. It's like using different sandpaper grades to get a smooth surface. Wet sanding. For severe imperfections, wet sanding can be effective. This method involves using sandpaper with water to level out the paint surface. However, it requires skill to avoid damaging the clear coat. Detailing clay. Before polishing, using detailing clay can remove embedded contaminants from the paint. It's similar to using an eraser on a pencil mark, ensuring a clean surface to work on. Paint correction may sound complex, but with practice, many car enthusiasts can learn these techniques. Wouldn't it be rewarding to bring back that showroom shine? Ceramic coatings. Ceramic coatings are a smart investment for keeping your car safe from the elements. These coatings create a protective layer that bonds with the paint. Here's why they're beneficial: long-lasting protection. Unlike waxes that can wear off quickly, ceramic coatings can last for years. They resist UV rays, chemical stains, and environmental pollutants, acting like armor for your car. Easy to clean. With a ceramic coating, dirt and grime have a harder time sticking. This means less scrubbing when you wash your car. It's similar to having a non-stick pan in your kitchen. Enhanced gloss. The coating adds a brilliant shine, making your car look sleek and polished. It enhances the color and depth of the paint, turning heads wherever you go. Application process. Applying ceramic coatings requires careful preparation. The paint surface must be cleaned and corrected before the coating goes on. Once applied, it cures and forms a strong, protective layer. Ceramic coatings can be a game changer for car lovers who want to maintain their vehicle's appearance effortlessly. Wondering if this could be the right choice for you? Seasonal considerations. Car paint requires special attention throughout the year. Different seasons bring unique challenges that can affect your vehicle's appearance and protection. Let's break down what you need to do for your car's exterior during the summer and winter months. Summer care. Tips for maintaining paint in high temperatures and UV exposure. Summer is often associated with road trips and sunny days, but it can be tough on your car's paint. High temperatures and UV rays can cause fading and damage. Here are some tips to keep your paint looking like new. Regular washing. Dust, dirt, and bug residue can harm your paint. Wash your car every 2 weeks. This prevents grime buildup and keeps the finish shiny. Waxing. Apply a good quality wax every 3 months to protect your paint from UV rays. Wax acts as a sunscreen, reflecting harmful light and reducing fading. Shade parking. Whenever possible, park your car in the shade or use a car cover. Direct sunlight accelerates paint deterioration, so keeping your car cool is a smart move. Use paint sealant. Consider using a paint sealant for extra protection during the hot months. It lasts longer than wax and can offer better protection against UV damage. Your car deserves a break from the sun, just like you do. What are some of your favorite ways to keep cool in the summer? Winter care. Tips for protecting paint from snow, ice, and road salt. Winter brings a different set of challenges. Snow, ice, and road salt can be harsh on your car's paint. Here's how to safeguard your vehicle during the colder months. Frequent washing. Salt and grime can lead to rust if not removed. Wash your car regularly, especially after driving on salted roads. Focus on cleaning the undercarriage, where salt tends to accumulate. Use a high-quality wax or sealant. Apply a durable wax or sealant before winter sets in. This adds a layer of protection against moisture and salt. Snow removal. When removing snow, use a soft brush or microfiber cloth. Avoid scraping the paint with a hard object, as it can cause scratches. Think of it as brushing delicate fabric. Garage storage. If possible, store your car in a garage. This protects it from the elements and reduces the risk of damage from falling ice or snow. Keep your car dry. Moisture is the enemy during winter. After washing your car, dry it thoroughly to prevent water from freezing on the surface. With these tips, you can navigate winter without compromising your car's appearance. It's all about being prepared and proactive. Ready to protect your car in every season? By following these simple strategies, you'll be able to enjoy a flawless paint finish all year round. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.